Hey you guys, so it is July 25th. Today is going to be the start of my maintenance vlog for my birthday. My birthday is coming up, Leo season. If you're a Leo, you know, rep it in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Like, so we have my hair and lash appointment on Thursday. We have my nail appointment on Friday. And then I also need to go get my brows tinted and threaded. And I also want to go get my upper lip waxed for when I do my makeup. And I also want to go get a pedicure. So that's everything that we have to knock out this week. I'm pretty sure we can get all of it done between now and next Sunday. That's the goal. And then yeah, and then we'll be all ready for my birthday. But I started the video today because I actually have to go drop off my hair to the girl who's doing my hair so she can have time to prep it. This year I'm going to be doing a wig for my birthday. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like I'm about to look so good. Like, I literally cannot wait. Let me show y'all the wig. By the way, this is not sponsored, but I still will be leaving all the details down below because, you know, like, I'm not a gatekeeper. I actually got this hair off of AliExpress because I was like, okay, so it was like late at night and I just impulsively decided that I wanted to do a wig for my birthday. So I got on YouTube and I was like researching because I don't know about y'all, but I'm not finna like drop $400, $500 on a wig that's only in my hair for 2 weeks. Like, no, like, it's just not happening. So yeah, I was researching and then I found this girl, Brittany Rivers. That's who I was watching, and she does like reviews on all types of wigs from AliExpress. Like, she be putting you on, like, oh my god, I just love her so much. Like, she literally saved my life. And it's a straight unit, 26 inches. I don't know if I already said that. 5'2" for reference, and this stops at my butt. The lace is like really HD, by the way. Like, what? Oh, I just cannot wait to put her on. Like, let me stand up so y'all can see. I'm holding it at the top of my head and this is where it stops. I'm not sure if I want to do like a middle part straight bust down look, you know, or if I want to do like a side part with like curls or something. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out, but either way it's gonna be so cute. Like, I literally cannot wait. Okay, so the girl said that I had to drop it off before 5 o'clock and right now it's 12 o'clock. So I'll just be picking up the camera again whenever I go do that. And yeah, okay you guys, so I'm gonna get ready to drop off the hair and then afterwards I'm just gonna like go to work. So yeah. Hey you guys, so I'm recording again because my appointment for my hair and my lashes is tomorrow. So right now I'm just combing out my hair because I'm about to get ready to wash and blow dry it. I did this in the morning, but I actually have to go to orientation for school tomorrow morning, so I have to make sure I have this out of the way. So my hair is all combed out and everything, and now I'm just about to go wash it and blow dry it. Okay, so I just washed my hair. Don't mind the headband because I was doing my skincare. But yeah, I was gonna blow dry it tonight, but I'm really just not feeling it. I'm tired, I'm ready to go to sleep, and I already have to wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair when I get back from my school orientation. So yeah, that is it for tonight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey you guys, so I've been rushing all morning, so I haven't had a chance to pick up the camera until now, but I'm about to go to my lash appointment. I just got done blow drying my hair out. I got my cash for the appointment, so we're all good to go. Okay guys, so I'm at my lash appointment. Hey you guys, so it's 2:30 and I just got home from my lash appointment. She did such a good job. Like, I literally love them. Like, oh my god. Hair appointment is at 3 and it's 2:30 right now, so I'm just gonna let my phone charge a little bit before I head out again. And yeah. Hey you guys, so I'm at my appointment. That's baggage coming back. We're doing this, bros. I'm gonna tag her in the description. Yeah.
These bitches aren't ready. This is what I do. This is my job. This is my life. This is my passion.
Yeah, back up.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, stuff make you want round me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no.
We're done. A gold.
And her.
Yeah. What lace? This is my hair.
Yeah.
My real hair.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, so my hair is done. Oh my god, it looks so good. Like, I just don't think y'all are quite ready for me yet. I just don't think y'all are, because look. Like, hello. But yeah, right now I'm about to go to Sephora because it was in the same plaza as her salon. And yeah, I might pick up a few items, just depending on how I'm feeling, you know. Okay guys, so just went in Sephora, got a few things. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. Alright you guys, so I've been home for a while, but my phone died, so I had to let it charge back up. But let me show you guys everything that I got from Sephora. I just needed to pick up a few things that I ran out of. So we got the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the color Honey. I had it in the color translucent, but I think I need to try the Honey. I don't know. Like, I be watching YouTube tutorials, and all the girls that I be watching be using this, and they bakes be coming out so good. So yeah. Next, I got this brow pomade. I don't know how to say that word, but also been seeing everybody using this, so we're gonna try this as well. And I picked up my Ordinary Niacinamide Serum Polish Choice Pore Normalizing Cleanser. Then since my birthday is coming up, I got a free birthday gift, which is the translucent setting powder. It was like other things to choose from, but if you do makeup, you know setting powder is so expensive, so this is going to come in handy. Yeah guys, that is everything that I got from Sephora, and that is also all of my appointments for today. My next appointment is my nail appointment, which is tomorrow at 12 o'clock, so that is what I'll be picking up and vlogging again. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey you guys, so it is Sunday the 31st, and I'm finally going to get my nails done. I was supposed to get them done on Friday, but it was just a lot going on, so we just rescheduled for Sunday. And yeah, I'm gonna leave right now. All right, hey you guys, so I'm with my dad. He hates me so bad because I don't be coming for real, but it's okay. I only come like every 5 months.
She like half loyal.
No.
Get some in now. cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me, I want in my mind. Gotta let go, wait, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my almost feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my limitations are disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep from losing the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Makes us a little change.
Shite.
Yeah, real close and personal.
Shite.
They choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us lay in place that our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now.
Hand me a towel, I'm dirty dancing by myself, gone off tabs. Let that acid form me a circle, watch my jagger. Might lose my jacket and hit a solo one time. We too loud in public, the police turned down the function. Now we outside and the time is perfect. Forgot to tell you, gotta tell you how much I vibe with you. And we don't gotta be solo. Let's stay away from highways.
Right now I'm in the mall. Okay, you guys, so I was in the mall and it was a lot of people and I'm not too comfortable with like recording in front of a lot of people, but these next few clips are just gonna be me getting my brows and toes done. It's so many people.
Right now, I prefer yellow, red bone, so mellow, fuck around, be cutting you. Think we were better off solo. I got that act right in the windy city that night. No trees to blow through, but blow me, and I owe you 2 grams from the sunrise. Smoking good, rolling solo. 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 Solo.
Hey you guys, so I'm finally home from, doing everything that I had to do. Here's a closer look at my nails. They're literally so cute. I love them so much. We love him so much. Please go book with my nail tech, please. Yeah, I also got my brows done, as you can see. And I also got my toes done. So that was everything that I needed to get done. And then we have my toes. I just got like a regular pedicure with French tip. My toe right here broke yesterday, so I told her to just do what she can. So don't mind that, but yeah. So with all of that being said, I will be closing out today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And I also will be vlogging my birthday and everything that I do for it. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Also starting school soon, and I am a senior this year. So make sure you stay tuned for all the senior year content because it's definitely coming. Like, I'm telling y'all, I know I be inconsistent, but I'm really finna start coming at y'all with the content for real. Like, I'm gonna stop playing, like, for real. That was it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.